Stuck wondering how to turn your favorite motivational quotes into an inspiring presentation? Well, what if I told you that with just a few clicks, you could have a professionally designed quote presentation using nothing but Slides AI? Let me walk you through the process. Once you are inside Google Slides, head to the top menu, click on Extensions, then select Slides AI and hit Generate Slides. This opens up the Slides AI dialog box. It asks what your presentation is about. So here just type something simple like I want to share motivational quotes through this presentation. In the next step, it asks for the content you want to include. Since we already have a list of quotes, just paste them here. Then it asks for additional instructions. In the what else we should know box, I will add this. I have shared a list of motivational quotes. Please create a presentation where each slide displays one quote with a visually engaging and relevant image. I don't want additional text, so I want to also say no additional text is needed. Each slide should feature only the quote and the author's name below. So I use this box to describe how I want my slide to be. Now I will set the presentation type as general, the tone as professional, and the language as English. Next, when asked how the presentation will be used, I will choose live presentation and skip setting a time limit. Click continue. Slides AI now generates an outline. I want to jump straight into the quotes, so I usually delete the first slide. Also, if a slide title says quote 1 and so, I will remove the heading entirely. I only want the quote itself in bold and the author's name below in a smaller font. So I will remove all the slide titles. Then pick a theme that matches your vibe. And finally click Generate Slides. And just like that, your quote deck is ready with beautiful illustrations and smooth layouts. Each slide looks polished and purpose-built. The quotes are easy to read, the visuals add meaning, and you didn't have to touch a single layout or font setting. If you want, you can make few changes to make it look better, and that's it. Your motivational quotes slide is ready. So try Slides AI now and start building beautiful presentations in seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others.